Today we will be comparing fractions to see which fraction is smaller and which fraction is larger. To compare these fractions, we are going to use two methods. The first method we will use is the common denominator, and the second method is cross multiplying. Let's get started. Okay, so the fractions that we'll be working with today is 1/3 and 7/12. And so the first method is common denominator. First, we're going to start by writing out both of the fractions. To find which fraction is larger, we're going to be looking at the denominator. So first we have to find the greatest common factor. And by looking at 12 and 3, we know that the greatest common factor is 12. So we're going to write out 12 as the denominator for both of the fractions. And to get to 12, we realize that we have to multiply by 1 in order to get to this 12. So we're going to multiply by 1. And whatever we do with the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So we're also going to multiply by 1 on the top. And so this gives us 7. And then we're going to come over here to 1/3, and we know that to get from 3 to 12, we have to multiply by 4. Then we're going to also do this on the top for the numerator as well. And then we multiply 1 by 4 and get 4, which gives us 4/12 and 7/12. Looking at these two fractions, we see that 7/12 is larger than 4/12 because there are more pieces in this whole than there are in this whole. The next method we are going to use is cross multiplication. And for this, we're going to do the same thing we did for the first method. We're going to write out both of our fractions. And for cross multiplying, it sounds just like it is. We're going to cross multiply like an x. And so 7 times 3 is 21. So we're going to write 21 right here. And 12 times 1 is 12. So we're going to write 12 right here. And so we see that on the side for 7/12, 21 is larger than 12, which is on the side of 1/3. So we now know that 7/12 is larger than 1/3.